Welcome to this tutorial on why use Monday.com to create a board. Monday.com is a work operating system that allows teams to manage their work in a customizable and visual way. Creating a board on Monday.com is a great way to organize and track your work. And in this guide, we will walk you through the benefits and steps to create a board. First, let's start with the basics. A board on Monday.com is a visual representation of your work, where you can add items, called pulses, and track their progress. You can customize your board to fit your specific needs, adding columns, rows, and widgets to make it your own. One of the main benefits of using Monday.com to create a board is that it allows you to visualize your work and track progress in real time. You can see what needs to be done, what's in progress, and what's been completed, all in one place. This makes it easy to identify bottlenecks and make data-driven decisions. Another benefit of using Monday.com is that it allows for seamless collaboration and communication. You can invite team members to your board, assign tasks, and leave comments, making it easy to work together and stay on the same page. To create a board on Monday.com, start by logging into your account and clicking on the Create button. From there, you can choose a template or start from scratch. Add columns and rows to your board, and customize the widgets to fit your needs. You can add text, numbers, dates, and more, and even integrate with other tools and apps. Some best practices to keep in mind when creating a board on Monday.com include keeping it simple and focused, using clear and concise language, and setting up automation to streamline your workflow. You should also make sure to set clear goals and objectives, and track progress regularly. In terms of practical examples, you can use Monday.com to create a board for project management, where you can track tasks and deadlines. You can also use it to create a board for sales pipeline management, where you can track leads and opportunities. The possibilities are endless, and the key is to customize your board to fit your specific needs. In conclusion, using Monday.com to create a board is a great way to organize and track your work, and can have a significant impact on your productivity and efficiency. By following the steps outlined in this guide, and keeping best practices in mind, you can create a board that works for you and your team.